Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and support. I don't take them for granted. Okay, thank you guys so much for all the love. I appreciate it. Okay, so today I'll be sharing with you this very powerful natural remedy. Okay, this remedy is for those that are trying to conceive. Okay, so before taking any medications, natural medications or medical medications, it's better for you to detox your body first. So this remedy will help you to clean your tubes. Okay, so if you like to know the ingredients that I use to make this remedy, sit back, relax, let's dive into the video.
I'll bow down on my knees, cause now him be the best. Daddy with the pamper, daddy with the bless.
So guys, these are all of our ingredients. Okay, these are all the ingredients we'll be using for this remedy. Make sure to wash all your spices. Like guys, I took my time to wash all the spices, okay, because we don't want any dirt. All right, so I'll be telling you some of the benefits of the spices that we are using for this remedy. They are all natural remedies. Okay, number one, here I have about 5 pieces of Uda seed. Uda seed has been associated with the treatment of menstrual issues. Uda has been traditionally used in treating amenorrhea and improving menstrual blood flow. So our second ingredient here is prekese. So we are using prekese for this recipe. Okay, so prekese is packed with lots of benefits. It boosts the immune system, high in nutritional value, good for postpartum care, wound healing properties. Guys, name it. This spice here is good for all women. It's good for everyone, but most especially for women. Okay, it's packed with lots of benefits. In case if you are not understanding, because I've break the prekese already to enable me to wash it very well, I'm going to be showing you the picture of how it looks. Okay, so in case if you want to get yours, when you know exactly how it looks. Okay, please, this tea should not be taken by pregnant women at all costs. Please, it can cause pregnancy loss or miscarriage due to the preterm of uterine contraction. Okay, please, all pregnant women should avoid this tea at all costs. Okay, our third ingredients here is black pepper. Black pepper detoxifies your body. This spice helps you sweat and urinate a lot, and by this you discharge all toxins from your body. Sweating and constantly urinating is a good sign that your body is functioning well. Okay, so we are also using black pepper in this recipe. Okay, our fourth and last ingredient is uziza seed. Uziza seed have been used in many cultures for centuries to boost fertility and reduce erectile dysfunction. These natural remedies have been found to contain nutritional compounds that can support reproductive health, improve sexual performance, and help couples to conceive. So, we are also using uziza seed for this recipe. Okay, guys, let's get started. Adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. So, in a pan, I'm going to add 1 liter of water. So, in case if you want to make you feel like making a lot, you just like multiply a liter of water, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of uziza seed, 5 seed of oda, and let me just say a 1/4 inch or half inch of prekese. Okay, I placed all the ingredients inside the hot water, stir this very well, and we are going to boil this for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after about 15 to 20 minutes, I'll come back. Our tea is ready. Okay, now I'm going to sieve it. Hope you'll be trying this recipe, guys. You can take half a glass morning and evening, okay, to clean your system and have normal menstrual flow again, and to ensure you don't have blocked tubes. These are natural remedies you can use. Okay, hope this video was helpful, and please, if you know you are going to use this remedy, I'm going to be sharing another video by Thursday, like remedy you can use to boost your fertility that will help you to get pregnant fast. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share my video, leave me a nice comment, subscribe. Please, guys, subscribe, it's free. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye.
I have seen the Lord's goodness, His mercies and compassion.